Majita namaGrootman dlala idisk namhlanje Orlando Pirates at home against iPolokwane City ngo-3 namhlanje 3 p.m. Heritage Day. Oqala ngifuna nje ukuthi salute ku-PSL Premier Soccer League ngokwenza i-matches ngoseta i-matches bekho i-matches nge-public holidays. Ndakhumula kudala before yenzeke lewe nandinengxaki ne-public holidays. Bone ngise-public holiday ngoba ngisemani sakwenza noni man kwisikhathi nje apha like ngaba ngathi confused ngoba inoni khole mini free apha at the same time ngomso sispan so angikwazi unxila because ngisengomso kufanele ispan so siyandaba manenze ntoni. PSL la decide number 3 years ago ba man ngise nge-public holidays ngise masifake i-matches idlala emini so ya i-grand lewe ngise-public holidays i-match ilo yini namhlanje Orlando Pirates at home to ilawe iPolokwane City. So babhizi nge-line up ke ngokuba ise uJose Riverio uzawubopha isquad esingakanani isinjani. Interesting futhi ebo this season i-starting lineups Orlando Pirates zawunikisa umdla ngoba because kusey Pirates idlala kwi-Champions League and uJose Riverio uzoba ne-challenge ngoku. I-principles zakhe sesimbonile mos ngoku after 3 unyaka wayo kwesithathu le season yakhe yesithathu leba uRiverio i-coach engathanda utshintsha kakhulu ayithanda rotate but say this season uzoba ne-challenge nene ngise umtshita neya compromise wanye se-review i-principles zakhe. Sawungcola ngalo line up ke manje before singene apha fethu ninishaye like if excel yazi channel awufiki apha nje usayisho like ezantsi bone andicela imarandi okanye if eqala uhlangana nale channel mthi ngazikhiphani apha and ngise i-grand lewe uyivayo okanye uyibonayo ngele ushaye subscribe ezantsi khona indawo ebhale subscribe ezantsi indawo emhlophe ucofe pha uthola videos. So yayi Betway Premiership match Orlando Pirates idlala home. Pirates so far ayikatyiwa kule season idlala 8 matches idlala internet matches idlala internet games ezi2 A1 ebani first leg ne second leg Pirates idlala ne cup games Champions League cup games ezi4 and unbeaten Orlando Pirates which is way grand low way for Orlando Pirates. I think 6 wins and 2 draws so it starts grand but ke Pirates sayazi low way akhona ungayaziyo uba ise Pirates is shaya nge-Betway Premiership ifuna i-league iyazi ba kuse iwina njani M10 iyazi ba sewina njani neBank Cup manje Pirates ifuna i-league ngoku bafuna uzibona ba kuse thina siyakwazi uwina le inzima asikwazi uwina nje i-cup tournament easy. At the same time Pirates ifuna ne-CAF Champions League so i-ambition ye-Pirates most yayo izawufocusa ki-Betway Premiership plus ne CAF Champions League namhlanje imatch esibini eBetway Premiership so a big game uRiverio expected for like say yenza i-changes but because kusezikhona i-key player apha Orlando Pirates is out of form uRiverio kufuneka azidrop but uRiverio njengengayi and situation ithi by say this is the only second match nge-Betway Premiership and ufuna a good start umjita I think akazuzenza i-changes esizifunayo wena 9 izifunayo but ke senza upredict lineup uRiverio azoyichuza apha for le game. Polokwane City idlala 2 games yona and ayikatyiwa funa 6 points 2 games 6 points iMagesi plus ne paint imikileyo ngathi ke Maromo Gallants ne plus ne Magesi but yeah Polokwane in 2 games and 2 wins 6 points so nice amachita afuna la consistency and match grele for ba sesibukele uOzino Police ngoba ise umchita player to watch ngapha ki league. Starting lineup ke manje Orlando Pirates at home to Polokwane City. I goalkeeper sayazi ngise gloves ze Pirates ezigabani i-chain ilawe chain le gold Sipho Chayene ePalini right back new right back Orlando Pirates starter Orlando Pirates ngokumchita ne-good start Pirates and Samvuyela Dino van Rooyen Stellenbosch bathe uDehond inja ngesixhosa. Left back one of the best left back ubone seki PSL we Champions League mhlawumbe uzoba one of the best left backs Africa Dion Hoto baleki 90 minutes akayeki la bhuti kwaseNamibia ya pressa wengapheli uHoto ya sela Grootman kunye level jo like uzobona ba bona sexesha ngu 60th minute 70th minute 80th minute Hoto press abantu. I pause Leah. And then central defense, Payadini, one of the best upper in the league. Olisanda, Jamatam, West Nigeria, Skoko, Eso, composure, decision making, perfect on the fit, top, captain the footing top central defender. And then Kangwa came Sesane, fast. Yeah, I say quick bafethu Sesane, zomjonga bafethu. Say strike abacefana kusejonga azamthatha umjita ngesitulo. Hayi azuleze ixesha. Beka flat layer and then say umnandi technical umjita ne touch grand, touches zakhe zi clean, passes zakhe clean, so Thabiso Sesane, top player, still only 23 umjita. So yeah, one for the future. Long career umjita ahead of him. And then pa emqeni Talent Mbatha ebedroji kanga start kule game ya last weekend. Ngizophinda qale ngingastart uriding Talent Mbatha, and then mcango wakhe izoba itaxi yakudala uriding uMakhehene Makhawula. And then in number 10 position Patrick Masangwanye out of form and esewudiniwe makangadlali mangadrojo nje kahlale phansi esitulweni and kusengabe nalo feeling bengenathetha lewe ivideo ya last week ba uMasangwanye enyuwe emafectile lawe bayazi ba kuse uzoqala every time uzostart ayixoxa kuse uRiviere ufunike especially ngoku kuse ezinye competitions ku Champions League, so kuse Masangwanye bengahlale phansi kancane ngomjita kabukele igame ahlale esitulweni abukele igame and kuse icompetition yakhe abafana noKabelo Dlamini noKaren Kamvidi bafaka ipressure pha kuye bayikusemfethu if a perform sakwenziwe naye Masangwanye abenazo nezinye point of views ezintsha umthi kahleli pha abukele idisc bone stadium are the situations ethola ideas ezintsha niba ukuse umjito udlala second half ke manje semangaqali mahlale phansi lami man uyadika Masangwanye bafethu manje kuse top player. So yeah, Kabelo Dlamini must start the fagila number 10 position bafethu. When you okay is line up, so must decide. Kabelo Dlamini, you start number 10. And then emasayidini Mofokeng funa break na umchana. Na last week angaqali futhi last game against iJwaneng Galaxy beqala esitulweni which is way grand. So you know makaqala esitulweni ulawe Mofokeng again and then qale uGilberto nomjita umcha usuka eAngola. And then kula side Saleng akadino ku Saleng bafethu mfana nje no Deon Hot Saleng naye kuseza ubona mayisexesha ngo85 minutes beka flat layer kusey busy press abantu press no goalkeeper le yaveli yeah ifro yami ithi kangibiza umjita kusele iphara indlela umjita ilook yakhe umjita kuse plus kusenendlela siloke like bone plus nalawe base uskin umjita kuse ifro yami ithi liphara umjita kangibiza Saleng uzostart and then center forward Tshegofatso Mabasa nene conversation egrand futhi aphendleni ngale out and then le videos ayenza apha evekini okanye next week khona into engifuna uncola ngayo bafethu but uTshegofatso Mabasa zenijonge lo ncoko apha evekini okanye next week bafethu izaba ngoyumjita i-center forward zakuze video nje about umjita izaba ngoyumjita i-center forward izostart so ya nanso starting lineup se-Orlando Pirates bafethu zithini i-lineup bafethu ninazo i-opinion okanye kuse mhlawumbe ikhona enye player ngicafana nini afuneka istart sinqula lapha i-comments enye player kuse bafethu ya in namhlanje again think kuseyingene second half I don't think uzostart umjita but kuse makangene as soon as possible umjita and namhlanje nakanjani think aphinda start umjita I mean ngiyaphinda angene as a substitute umjita enye player futhi kusedlala as a number 10 like ayisibhala uye bekuse uRiviere adlalise uMasangwanye oko and then kuse abanye number 10 umjita ubafaka kashike 5 minutes so abafuneka bafumane la momentum plus ne confidence amajita and then ke ngele hlobo i-competition izoba grand so could athwa nguthuso moleleki bafethu like watch out nantithini umjita ngaye kwangoJuly ngezibini appreciate Gqom sign bayise bafethu baso senijongela out igqobo fika Orlando Pirates sani Orlando Pirates so Orbit College thonga uthuso moleleki mjita nisho bazongena second half nijongela player bafethu mdlala number 10 naye umjita but ayizo start afana so ya nansi lana Pirates bafethu Chayine Van Rooyen Hoto Sesane Nda Makhawula Mbatha Saleng Gilberto Dlamini plus noMabasa zithini izinto lapha sincola pha i-comments bafethu. If aqala udibana channel ungalibali ezantsi ucofa subscribe okanye kuseyo nje ushaye like bafethu angcele marand ushaye like apha ezantsi. Orlando Pirates Polokwane City ngo-3 Orlando Stadium moja bafethu.